Jack here, and I'm in the garage today with the VEVOR 19-foot telescoping A-frame multi-position ladder. Now, full disclosure, this was sent to me for free for an honest review. This is one heavy-duty, solid, but lightweight all aluminum ladder that's great for pretty much any application. If you're looking for a ladder that's multiple ladders in one essentially, or a ladder that's kind of a one-size-fits-all, this A-frame aluminum telescoping ladder from VEVOR is a really solid option. Now you can use these two guys right here to unlock the locking mechanism here at the top, which means you can actually expand the angle of the A-frame all the way down to flat if you did want to use this as a telescoping flat ladder, like what you might use to climb the side of a house. Of course, be careful using a device like this, but it can also fold all the way down to its fully compressed state. What you're looking at here is the shortest that this ladder gets, but it does extend all the way up to about the height of this ceiling here, which is 10 feet. All I do for that is I pull out these pins. There's 4, 2 on either side. You can slide out the centerpiece of the ladder separate from the legs itself, the inner ladder rather, and it will extend all the way up, and then you lock these back in. I gotta go all the way till the bottom rungs, so it's fully extended to be able to access my attic. And so I am able to get all the way up into my attic, and that's why I have this ladder. I do need it. It's pretty much the only way I can get up into the attic. But even when it's that extended, it still feels super sturdy, and I do feel secure up there on the ladder. You get more stability, obviously, the more condensed it is, but even with it fully extended, there's no concern there. It does feature wheels on one side if that's something you're looking for. And when the ladder is all the way down, you pretty much have plenty of foot room on all of the rungs. The rungs get a little thinner when you do extend the ladder out, but nothing too crazy there. But anyway, I'm a big fan of this ladder. Like I said, I use it in my garage. If you're looking for a ladder that's pretty much a one-size-fits-all, but still lightweight and still durable, this VEVOR 19-foot telescoping A-frame ladder is a really solid option. Hopefully this video helps your purchase decision. Thanks for watching.